Hello friends, it's Nails by Ray and welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, and if you're new here, welcome to your new favorite nail channel. Today I'm unboxing some PR sent to me from Born Pretty. So they sent me some cat eye nail polishes. There's 6 bottles in this, so let's get into it. So as I mentioned before, there are 6 bottles, and there is an instruction card here which teaches you how to prepare your nails, how to apply the gel polish, make sure it lasts, and how to apply the magnetic cat eye and manipulate it. Now that everything's out of its packaging, I'm using one of my swatching sticks to start off with the first color, and I already have some base coat cured onto the swatch sticks, so we're just gonna get straight into it. So enjoy this period of me swatching all 6 of these colors. So this is what they all look like after I've swatched them all. Some of them have like 2 coats. The first one has 3 coats, but the other ones all have 1 coat. And I believe 2 or 3 of these colors are cat eye. Some of them don't show up as much because cat eye is meant to be brushed on a color underneath. So when I create my nail set using these colors, I'll have a base color before I add my cat eye. So first, I'm going in with a layer of base gel. I'm using the Born Pretty base gel, and I'm curing that under my nail lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going in with 2 coats of the Jelly Nude shade in this collection, curing it for 60 seconds after each coat. Now I'm going in with some eyeshadow, and don't worry, this is not eyeshadow that I use on my face. I separate my eyeshadow palettes for my face and my nails. I'm also going to be using an eyeshadow brush that's strictly for my nails to tap into the red color here and create an aura effect. Satisfied with the aura I created, I'm gonna add some base gel just to create a barrier between the pigment and the cat eye gel polish I'm adding on top. Using the cat eye shade that I deem as my favorite color in this whole collection, it is the 5th color in the collection. I am going to create a cat eye design by brushing it onto the nail. So as you can see, I'm using a circular magnet at the base, and I'm moving the magnets that are in the gel polish. I don't really have too much experience working with cat eye gel, so you can just see me messing up this part, but after a while I get the hang of it, and I'm gonna show you how I created it to where it looked so beautiful and majestic. So after I messed up my first attempt, I added another layer of this gel polish, and now I'm using the magnets to move it around. So you just aim the magnets in the direction of where you want the gel to like migrate towards. So I did a little bit at the bottom to push it towards the center, and I wanted to use the circle one to create that little circle in the corner so that it looks like a really wavy or swirly S design going down the center of the nail, because I've pushed away the magnets in the gel polish from those corners. So as you can see, it looks really cool like that, and this is what I'm going to do for all of the nails. So lastly, I'm adding some Born Pretty top coat. This is their super top coat. It's actually a no wipe, which I didn't know that when I first used it, but you don't need to wipe off the tacky layer because there is none, and I love that about a top coat. So I will be applying this to all of my nails and then curing them for 60 seconds. guys, so that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and thank you to Born Pretty for sending this collection over. I hope you guys loved how these nails came out and love these colors. Feel free to check out Born Pretty's website in my description, and you can use my code NailsByRay and you can get 10% off your order. And of course, let me know what you guys think. Be sure to hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so that you never miss any uploads from my channel. And I will see you in the next video.